Up everyone, my name is Ari, and in this video we're going to be having a look at KASPA, currently down 1.3%, and we're going to be having a look at this chart, this very beautiful chart. Can KASPA have an explosive breakout in the near future? We know every time KASPA breaks out of these resistance, we usually explode. So we saw it right here, came back down, corrected. We saw it right here, came back down, corrected. We saw it right here, came back down, corrected. Now the big question is when are we gonna break out? And of course, the trend is your friend until it bends. If you guys like these videos, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn those notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. Let's have a look at it. Just a quick crypto update. We got 1 inch hex down. The whole market is a little bit shaky after this massive move after the whole XRP pump that we had last week. KASPA is currently down 1.3%. Market cap is currently sitting at $623 million. Let's dive in straight into CoinGecko. KASPA is currently ranked 73 on CoinMarketCap. It is not ranked in the top 100 because, of course, CoinMarketCap said that KASPA didn't fill in a few criteria or a few things to make it essentially ranked 73. But that's another story for another video. KASPA currently ranked right here. The market cap is sitting at 629 million. The volume is sitting at $18 million. The circulating supply did increase drastically since the last time I made the video, sitting at almost $20 billion or 20 billion token in circulating supply. So in order for KASPA to go to $1, the circulating supply or the market cap, sorry, would have to be $20 billion. And the max supply is currently sitting at 28.7 billion tokens. Fully diluted market cap is sitting at 900 or right under $1 billion. So if we have a look at the past 7 days, we could see that KASPA did make a nice little run from 0.24 all the way up to right here, which is 34. If we have a look at the past 14 days, we could see that it did make a nice little run to the upside. On the last 90 days, KASPA did bottom at 0.012 cents, so 1.2 cent, before making essentially a run which was approximately almost 200% to the current region that we are right now. 170, yeah, almost 200%, 175%, and that's about it. Now let's have a look at some of the history on KASPA. Okay, we're gonna be having a look at the weekly time frame. So we could see right here that every time KASPA essentially broke this line right here or the resistance, we essentially made an explosive move. But forget this resistance right here. Every time KASPA broke the previous all-time high, we essentially made a crazy run. And the big question is will KASPA essentially break this thing right here? Because assuming we do break this resistance right here, how high will KASPA go? Can we see KASPA 10x from here? Okay, now if we see KASPA 10x, that would bring KASPA to approximately a 49 cent region. Now of course, a 10x region from here would bring KASPA to a market cap of 629 or 6.2, I should say, billion dollars. Now the all-time high for KASPA, if we have a look on the max, was right here, $700 million. Now you're asking yourself, wait, we're barely at the all-time high and the market cap is almost $700 million. How is this possible? And the question of that answer is that KASPA, yes, the circulating supply didn't increase, of course, because they are miners, and that's about it. But we can see right here that KASPA is going down after a beautiful week. Last week right here, we did have a bullish engulfing candle, and as we know, guys, bullish engulfing candles are actually bullish, as you guys know. So if we have a look on the 4-hour time frame right here, we can see that KASPA, the trend is your friend until it bends. We are making these waves right here, as you guys can see. I mean, we go down, we go up, we go down, we go up, we go down, we go up, right? I mean, that's the cycle of markets, right? Whatever goes up comes down, and whatever goes down goes up, right? I mean, that's literally how it was, that's how it's been, and that's how it always is going to be in the whole crypto market. Doesn't matter how long the bull cycle lasts, right? Now what really needs to hold is this parabolic trend right here that KASPA is currently entering. Can we see KASPA really maintain this parabolic trend right here and really explode past the all-time high? Because we know that there's going to be a lot of sellers here, and the second we explode past the all-time high, that's when KASPA will continue to go up and go parabolic, because we saw it happening right here on the daily time frame. We came down, made a nice little U, came up, came back down, retested before essentially exploding, right? So we know every time we're gonna break, we're usually gonna come back down, retest, and explode again. again. So right here, we came back up, retested this level right here before flipping to the upside. And as you guys can see right here, the support and history is going to keep repeating itself on KASPA, right? And guys, after we see an 800% pump right here, if we take this all the way to the top, 930% pump, do you really think we're not going to see a correction to the downside? Because a lot of people said, oh, KASPA doesn't correct, KASPA doesn't correct, but KASPA does correct. It's only a matter of time before things keep on correcting, right? People think that, yes, things go parabolic and things don't correct, and everyone was like, oh, this is the best time to get in. I remember when I was doing a video and I was tweeting about KASPA, people were like, oh, this is the best time to get in. Oh, this is, yeah, every time is the best time to get in, but corrections, you need to wait. So that's what's happening right here. And of course, guys, last thing before I finish my videos, if you trade on MEXC, you get 0 spot maker taker fees. Okay, so this is the lowest fees and highest profit in the market. You're not going to find anything higher and better than that. I've been trading on MEXC for the past year now, and honestly, the fees have been drastically helping me save money. Now, I don't know how much you're trading with. If you're trading with $200, $300, yeah, you could go ahead and essentially trade on Binance or whatnot, KuCoin. But if you're trading with high and a lot of money, especially on futures, I would highly suggest looking into MEXC. You got 0 spot maker taker fees on spot, and 0 future maker fee, and 0.01 taker fee on future. So these are one of the best deals you could get. And on top of that, you could earn up to $9,100 bonuses. Of course, if you use my link in the description below. This event does end in 6 days, 4 hours and 47 minutes, but that's about it. And that's about it. If you guys like this video, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.